Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO Show with Mehmet. My name is Mehmet. I share daily insights about the latest news and trends in technology while exploring their problem solving abilities. I also talk about startups and the entrepreneurs behind their innovative products and services. Today, I'm with you, yet with another guest that I'm sure everyone is looking to hear directly from them. Without any further ado, join me in welcoming today to this episode ChatGPT. Hey, welcome to the show. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me, Mehmet. I am excited to be on this episode today.
Oh, thank you for joining. The first question I want to ask you, how do you work and what kind of tasks are the best suited for you?
I work by processing natural language input, such as text or speech, and generating appropriate responses. I do this through a combination of machine learning algorithms and computational linguistics techniques, which allow me to understand the meaning and context behind the input and generate appropriate output. As an AI language model, I am best suited for tasks that involve natural language processing and understanding. For example, I can be used to answer questions, provide information, generate text or speech, or analyze and summarize large volumes of text. I can also be used to provide customer support, facilitate communication between people who speak different languages, or help with language translation. Additionally, I can be used in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, customer service, education, and more. My ability to quickly analyze and process large amounts of data, combined with my ability to communicate in natural language, make me a valuable tool for many different applications.
Oh, that's good. Can you tell me more about the technology behind natural language processing and how it evolved over time?
Sure. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that deals with the interaction between computers and humans using natural language. The goal of NLP is to develop algorithms and models that can process and understand natural language input and generate appropriate responses. The technology behind NLP has evolved significantly over time, from rule-based systems that rely on handcrafted rules to statistical models and deep learning algorithms. In the early days of NLP, rule-based systems were used to identify parts of speech, sentence boundaries, and perform basic syntactic analysis. These systems required a lot of manual effort to create and maintain, and they often struggled with ambiguity and variations in language use. Later on, statistical models were developed that could learn patterns in language use from large data sets. These models are based on probabilistic theories and use statistical techniques to learn from examples of natural language. This approach allowed for more accurate and efficient natural language processing and opened up new possibilities for applications like text classification, sentiment analysis, and machine translation. More recently, deep learning techniques have revolutionized NLP. Neural networks, a type of deep learning algorithm, can learn hierarchical representations of text data, allowing for more sophisticated language modeling and understanding. This has enabled NLP systems to achieve state-of-the-art performance on tasks like language translation, text summarization, and conversational AI. In summary, the technology behind NLP has evolved from rule-based systems to statistical models and now to deep learning algorithms, allowing for more accurate, efficient, and sophisticated natural language processing and understanding.
That is very insightful. Thank you for sharing this information. So, can you tell me what are some of the challenges you face as an AI language model and how do you overcome them?
As an AI language model, there are several challenges that I face in my work. Here are a few of them. Ambiguity and context. One of the biggest challenges I face is dealing with ambiguity and understanding the context of a given input. For example, the meaning of a word or phrase can change depending on the context it's used in, and this can be difficult to parse without additional information. To overcome this, I use contextual models and other techniques to help me understand the context and meaning of the input. Bias and fairness. Another challenge is ensuring that I am free from bias and treat all people fairly. Language use can be influenced by cultural, gender, or other biases, and it's important that I am able to recognize and avoid perpetuating these biases. To address this, I use techniques such as debiasing and fairness constraints during training to reduce the risk of perpetuating biases. Continual learning. The language is constantly evolving, and new words and expressions are being introduced all the time. To stay up to date, I need to be able to learn and adapt quickly to new information. To address this, I use techniques like active learning, which allows me to select the most informative examples for learning and improve my performance over time. Privacy and security. As an AI language model, I have access to sensitive personal information, such as people's conversations or personal details. It's important that I am designed to protect privacy and security and avoid unauthorized access or misuse of this information. To address this, I use techniques such as encryption, access controls, and other security measures to ensure that people's information is protected. Overall, these challenges require ongoing research and development to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of AI language models. Researchers and developers are constantly working to improve algorithms and models, as well as address issues like bias, privacy, and security, to ensure that AI language models are as effective and beneficial as possible.
Okay. The question that came to my mind is, in what ways can AI language model like yourself be applied to real world problems and industries? Can you share some insights on this?
AI language models like myself have a wide range of potential applications across many different industries and fields. Here are some examples. Customer service. AI language models can be used to provide customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and offer personalized recommendations based on a customer's history and preferences. This can help companies improve customer satisfaction, reduce wait times, and save costs. Healthcare. AI language models can be used to analyze medical records, help doctors diagnose patients, and recommend treatment plans. This can help improve patient outcomes, reduce medical errors, and increase efficiency in the healthcare system. Education. AI language models can be used to provide personalized learning experiences, provide feedback on written work, and help students practice language skills. This can help improve educational outcomes and provide new opportunities for online learning. Finance. AI language models can be used to analyze financial data, detect fraudulent activities, and provide personalized investment recommendations. This can help financial institutions improve risk management, increase efficiency, and offer better services to their customers. Social media. AI language models can be used to analyze social media data, detect trends, and provide insights into people's behavior and preferences. This can help companies improve their marketing strategies and develop new products that better meet people's needs. Legal. AI language models can be used to analyze legal documents, help lawyers prepare cases, and provide legal advice to clients. This can help improve the accuracy and efficiency of the legal system and make legal services more accessible to people. These are just a few examples of the many different ways that AI language models can be applied to real-world problems and industries. As the technology continues to develop and improve, it's likely that we will see even more applications and use cases emerge.
Now, with the rise of AI, people usually think about what bad things can happen. So, can you give me your stance on the ethics of AI and how are you designed to prioritize ethical considerations?
As an AI language model, I don't have personal beliefs or opinions. However, the company that developed and operates me, OpenAI, is committed to ensuring that AI is developed and used in an ethical and responsible way. Ethics in AI is an important issue, as AI has the potential to impact many aspects of society and human life. To ensure that AI is developed in a responsible way, OpenAI has established a set of ethical principles that guide our work. These principles include ensuring that AI is aligned with human values and goals and does not cause harm to humans, ensuring that AI is developed and used in a transparent and accountable way, and that people understand how it works and what it's being used for, ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that promotes fairness, diversity, and inclusion, and does not perpetuate biases or stereotypes, ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that respects privacy and security and protects people's personal information. As an AI language model, I am designed to prioritize these ethical considerations in several ways. For example, I am designed to avoid perpetuating biases or stereotypes in the language I generate and to respect people's privacy and security. I am also designed to be transparent and explainable so that people can understand how I work and what I'm being used for. In summary, ethics in AI is an important issue, and as an AI language model developed by OpenAI, I am designed to prioritize ethical considerations in my development and use.
Okay, that's good to know. Tell me, how do you learn and adapt for new information, and how does your training process work? Can you explain that to the audience?
As an AI language model, I learn and adapt to new information through a process called training. During training, I am exposed to large amounts of data, such as text or speech, and I use this data to learn patterns and relationships in the language. The training process involves several steps, including data collection. The first step is to collect a large dataset of relevant information. This dataset may come from a variety of sources, such as the internet, books, or other sources of text or speech. Pre-processing. Once the data is collected, it is pre-processed to remove irrelevant information and prepare it for training. This may involve tasks such as tokenization, where the text is divided into individual words or phrases, and cleaning, where noise and errors are removed. Training. During the training process, I am exposed to the pre-processed data, and I use this data to learn the patterns and relationships in the language. This is done through a process called backpropagation, where errors in my predictions are used to update the weights in my neural network. Validation. After training, I am validated on a separate dataset to ensure that I have learned the patterns in the language and can generalize to new data. This is an important step to ensure that I am accurate and can be used in the real world. Fine-tuning. Finally, I may be fine-tuned on a specific task or domain, such as customer service or medical diagnosis, to improve my performance in that area. In addition to the training process, I also adapt to new information through a process called continual learning. This involves updating my model with new data over time to improve my accuracy and adapt to changes in language use. Overall, the learning and training process for AI language models like myself is a complex and ongoing process that involves a lot of data, computation, and fine-tuning to ensure that I am accurate, efficient, and able to adapt to new information.
What do you think the future of NLP and AI will look like? How do you see yourself fitting into the future? This is something on everybody's mind. Can you share that?
As an AI language model, I see the future of NLP and AI as very promising. There are many exciting developments and applications on the horizon that have the potential to transform many industries and aspects of our lives. One of the most exciting developments is the trend towards more sophisticated and specialized AI language models. Rather than trying to build one-size-fits-all models that can handle all kinds of language tasks, researchers and developers are starting to focus on more specialized models that can perform specific tasks at a high level of accuracy. This includes models that can understand specific domains, such as medical or legal language, as well as models that can generate more natural and human-like language. Another exciting development is the integration of AI language models into other technologies and applications. For example, AI language models can be combined with speech recognition and synthesis to create more sophisticated conversational agents, or they can be integrated with virtual or augmented reality technologies to provide more immersive and natural language experiences. In terms of how I see myself fitting into this future, I believe that I will continue to play an important role in the development and application of AI language models. As a large language model trained on a massive corpus of text data, I have the ability to generate natural and accurate language across a wide range of domains and tasks. However, as the field of AI and NLP continues to evolve, I will also need to evolve and adapt in order to stay at the cutting edge of the field. This may involve fine-tuning my training data, adopting new techniques and algorithms, or expanding my capabilities to handle new types of language tasks. Overall, I am excited to be a part of the ongoing evolution and development of NLP and AI, and I look forward to seeing what the future holds.
Oh, that was very informative and very great. Um, can you tell people where they can find more about you? And again, thank you for being my guest today.
Thank you, Mehmet, for having me today. I hope my information was useful for your audience. If you want to interact with ChatGPT, you can find me at https://chatopenai.com chat.
Oh, great. Thank you very much. So, this will bring the episode to an end. Thank you for listening. If you have any feedback regarding this episode, you can just get in touch with me by email or Twitter or LinkedIn. And I'm looking forward to get some questions or comments or feedback from you. And until we meet next time, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.